Well, the question is a force F is equal minus K y I cap plus x j cap, where K is a positive constant, X on a particle moving in XY plane. Starting from the origin, the particle is taken along the positive x-axis to the point A0 and then parallel to the y-axis to the point AA. The total work done by the force F on the particle is, well, out of the four options, we need to choose the correct one. So it is a previous year question, 1998. Okay. So here, actually, before doing it, we should understand one thing. Say differentiation of xy, x into y. Okay, it is nothing but you can write y dx plus x dy. Okay, if both are variable x and y, then differentiation of x and y is nothing but y dx plus x dy. Okay, we will take use it. And integration is the reverse process of differentiation. So you can say that integration of dxy, it is nothing but simply xy only. We can write like that. Now let us come to the question. Here work done is equal integration of f dr only. So I can write minus k outside also because it is constant. So it is yi cap plus xj cap dot dx I cap dy j cap. So it is nothing but minus k I am taking out. So that is, you see, I dot I. Okay, that will be y dx only. And x, because z dot j1, no? So x dy. Well, it is like that only. Integration. So it is nothing but minus k integration. And I have already told you this part y dx plus dx dy can be written as differentiation of xy. So integration and differentiation will get cancelled only. We can say like that also. So it is nothing but what? Minus k xy only. So I have to put the limit now. Well, so from 0, 0 to a. Final limit is a. Starting limit was 0, 0 only. So it always depends upon the final position and the initial position only. So it is nothing but in place of x, you will put a minus 0, and in place of y, you will put a minus 0. So ultimately, the work done is nothing but minus k a square. So out of the four options, C is the correct one.